Hey there, trigonometry fans, coming at you from the Hamilton household. Today we got another beautiful day in the land of matrix or matrices. I have a couple guest stars here today. Can you guys introduce yourselves?
My name's Oren.
My name's Lewis.
Okay, and what's your last names?
Hamilton.
Okay, and as you can see, we are not social distancing because we're family members here. So, just FYI, keep your hands out of your mouth, please. Thank you. Boys, what do you know about matrices?
Absolutely nothing.
Louis?
Nothing.
Okay, well, kids, we can relate to that maybe at times in trigonometry, but probably not as of late because you've been following along to my video. So a matrix, guys, is a rectangular list of numbers. It looks like this in the lower left-hand corner. And today all we're going to talk about is what happens when we add or subtract, what are the order of the dimensions, and what is the order of dimensions when we multiply or divide. So this is an important feed-up lesson into multiplication of matrices. So a little review here. The question says determine if the following operation of the given matrix is defined. If it is, determine the order of the resulting matrix. So it doesn't actually want us to add these. It just wants us to say if it's defined. Well, in order to see if it is defined, here's what we do. We write down the order of the first matrix, 3 by 1. Here's what it stands for. The 3 stands for 3 rows, and 1 stands for 1 column. We write down the order of the second matrix.
3 by 1.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And it's defined if these are the same. Since they're the same, we say it's defined.
Nice.
And then its resulting matrix, guess what, you guys? It's going to get crazy. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I don't know if you really are.
Absolutely am.
The resulting matrix is a 3 by
2.
1. Nice. Now here's the deal. Here's the beautiful thing. When we add matrices, if they are the same before we add them, they do not change order at the end. The order is exactly the same.
Nope.
So let's take a look at another problem here. Same question.
Oh, I got this one.
Can we add these, you guys?
What? Let's see. So we
Okay.
got, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Good. We're going to write down the order.
5 by 5.
Got it. Let's write down the order of the next one. Lewis, you do the next one. What's the order? How many?
5 by 4.
Nice. Okay. And so, you guys, what is the order of the matrix when we add these two?
Absolutely no idea.
What about you, Louis?
Absolutely.
That's awesome. I'm glad that you guys got stumped here because here's the deal. It's only defined if these are the same.
So
If they're not the same, guess what we say?
What do we say?
Undefined.
Defined. You a little rusty on the computer?
I am. Curse of the rest. Undefined. All right? So now, let's switch gears. Let's talk about multiplication. Here is the rule for multiplication. You ready to listen very carefully?
Yep.
All right. First rule is this. You can multiply. Oh, boy. Hold on a second. You can multiply as long as the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. If it's not, it's undefined. Ooh, it's going to get crazy. So the other thing is this, is if it is defined, if this is true, if the number of columns in the first equals the number of rows in the second, then the order of the dimensional one, of the product, is this. First matrix by the number of columns in the second matrix. So check this out. First, we got to see if it's defined. So we're going to do that same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5 by what? You guys, let's write it down.
5 by 5.
5. Ooh, Penny's joining us here. 5 by 5. What's the order of the second one, you guys?
You're okay.
Help out. What's the order of this one?
Oh, 5 by 4.
5 by 4. Is it defined?
Nope.
Whoa, here's how we check this. Remember, it says the number of columns in the first matrix, that's the second number. I'm going to change my highlighter. So number of columns in the first matrix has to be equal to the number of rows in the second.
Oh, so it is defined?
It is defined. If those are the same, it's defined. So when that happens, our resulting matrix is here. In this order, it's going to be a 5 by 4. Got it? So
Yep.
multiplication is a little bit different. Let's try one more, and then we can be done for the day. So same question. Check out your order. This is a 2 by 3. What's this one here? 2 by 2?
2 by 2.
Is it defined?
No. Yep. No.
Yep.
No, it's not. It's not.
I
It's
feel
not.
like you're guessing.
Nope.
And
not,
you
it's
might be
not.
guessing out there too. Here's all we got to check.
Because
If
it's
these are
not-
the
yeah,
same,
yeah.
it's defined. If they're not, we use the word undefined. So just say undefined.
Yep.
There is no product matrix. And that's it, you guys. What do you think? Can you find the order of a matrix with addition and multiplication?
Mathematical pen can.
Pythagoras pen.
Pythagoras
Hey,
pen.
Pythagoras pen. Can you do it? I think so.
Absolutely.
So that's it for today, you guys. Check out your Delta Math. Do the assignment. Any last words, boys?
Nope.
You know what we need to tell them. Till next time, stay
Stay
clean.
clean, my friends.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. What is it?
Disinfect.
Disinfect your phones.
And most
And
importantly,
most importantly, stay safe.
be kind.
Be kind. Be kind.
Are you kind to your brothers and sisters and parents?
No.
Mostly.
All right. See you later.